Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, and we are now here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You definitely don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 12th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Google as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.31. Now, let's examine the performance of the stock during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows no change, sitting at a loss of 0.00% since our initial recommendation to hold or accumulate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 14.57% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 14.57% and 30.44%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 23.86% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 11.7% and 39.86%. This translates to a price range from $205.10 to $256.80 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Wednesday trading session. On the last day of trading, which was Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, the price of Google stock decreased by 0.92%, falling from $185.32 to $183.61. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.80%, with a low of $181.83 and a high of $185.11. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown a decline of 6.04%. Notably, trading volume increased by 2 million shares on the last day, albeit amid falling prices. This trend could serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 21 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $3.83 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $207.05, while the lowest was $130.67. Currently, the price sits 11.32%, or $23.44, below the 52-week high, and 92.50%, or $2,265.31, below the all-time high reached on the 14th of June, 2021, when the price soared to $2,448.92. In today's news, Google is facing scrutiny after executives defended the decision to retract previous commitments regarding weaponized artificial intelligence and diversity goals during an all-staff meeting. This reflects a shift in corporate priorities that may unsettle some stakeholders and potentially dampen the company's reputation in the near term. On the competitive front, Reddit has emerged as a significant contender for Google and Meta in the advertising space, fueled by its advertising platform's impressive growth, showcasing the evolving landscape of digital advertising. Meanwhile, Alphabet's Google Cloud reported a 30% year-on-year growth in the fourth quarter of 2024, underlining its strong performance despite the industry's broader power capacity challenges in the artificial intelligence race against China. This growth is bolstered by investments of $75 billion slated for this fiscal year, further driving potential profitability in the long term. The recent dip in Alphabet's stock has also attracted bullish sentiments among investors who view it as an attractive entry point, especially as the company navigates its robust multi-line artificial intelligence strategy and cloud enhancements. Given these developments, short-term volatility may arise due to internal decisions and competitive pressures, but the longer-term outlook remains positive, driven by ongoing investments in artificial intelligence technologies and the successful scaling of cloud services. Analysts forecast significant profit growth for 2025, positioning Alphabet as a prominent player in the tech arena. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight grade, accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral grade, also with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, Wolfe Research rated Google as outperform with a corresponding hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, JMP Securities gave Google a market perform grade along with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, UBS also rated Google as neutral with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. At this time, there are few to no technical positive signals. Google stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at $189.99 and $193.97. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 4th, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 11.03%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 3 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average is reflecting a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 64 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $167.65 and $167.63. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support. In this case, should the support at $167.65 be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $167.63 and $164.76. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a good trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.28 between its high and low, which is 1.80%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.13%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This key metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This reflects a relatively normal PE ratio, commonly observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts estimate a consensus figure of $2.02. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at 191.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at 167.65. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of February, 2025, O'Toole Amy Thuner conducted an insider sale of 1,340 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 31st of January, 2025, Shriram Kavatark Ram conducted an insider sale of 14,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 31st of January, 2025, Shriram Kavatark Ram conducted another insider sale of 12,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 30th of January, 2025, Arnold Francis conducted an insider sale of 100 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 25th of January, 2025, O'Toole Amy Thuner conducted an insider purchase of 1,340 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 22.434. Overall, insiders purchased 1,754,803 shares and sold 1,110,240 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $173.95, reflecting a decline of 5.26%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google presents several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a sell candidate. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it might be more prudent to treat it as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Our analysis has upgraded its conclusion from a sell to a hold or accumulate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of February, we anticipate that Google will open down by approximately 9 cents, starting trading at $183.52. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.